I'll be doing a quick unboxing and hands-on of the Asus ZenFone Max Pro M2 right now. The packaging are pretty much the same with the past ZenFone series. Once open, you will be greeted with "We Love Photos" box. Inside this box is a SIM card ejector, TPU case, and some documentation. Next is the phone. Let's check this out later and see what's inside. It comes with a power brick. It's a quick charge 1.0 that outputs 10 watt, a micro USB cable, and earphone. Let's check out the ZenFone Max Pro M2, shall we? Let's roll the spec sheet. On the front, you'll be greeted with a huge yet bright 6.3-inch 90% screen to body ratio, 450 nits brightness, and 1500 contrast ratio display. On top of the display is a notch that houses the 30-megapixel cameras, earpiece, and some other sensors. On the back is a new 3D curved glossy acrylic and has a wave texture on different angles. Fingerprint scanner is mounted on the rail. The power button, volume rockers is located on the right side of the phone. Bottom is a 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, micro USB, and speaker grill. It has a triple slot that can hold 2 nano SIM plus a micro SD card individually. Under the hood is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 with AI engine. It has up to 6GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage. To keep the light on is a humongous 5000mAh battery. The ZenFone Max Pro M2 equipped with a new 12MP Sony IMX4A6 sensor with f1.8 aperture assisted by a 5MP depth sensor.